Hey guys, this is Chef Vicky Ratnani and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking a fantastic...
No! Enough! Enough is it's enough, Dad. You're too unique for social media.
And?
Okay, we're done with your unique recipes and your great fantastic ideas. We need to be more relatable. We need to think of a new dish that you need to make.
What do you mean think of a new dish?
We don't even need to think of a new dish.
Why do you keep on sending me all these reels and say that make this and make that?
Okay, so let's make the viral Turkish pasta. I think everyone is gonna love it. Let's just be basic.
Oh, the lamb thing with the pasta and the yogurt and all that.
Yes.
What about my element then in that? How do I don't want to make what somebody's already made.
We don't need any new elements. Earth, water, fire, air is enough. Okay, so let's just get on with it. So guys, today we are making the viral Turkish pasta. You're welcome.
Here you go. That's what chef says. So she's going to be helping me doing this. She is a good assistant, but you know what? I'm still the chef. So let's start cooking. Now for this pasta sauce, you take about 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. Once it's hot, saute like 2 sliced onions really nicely. I also added a little bit of cumin seeds inside for a little bit of tadka. Now after the onions start getting a little brown, what I'll do is I put in the mince and then brown it really nicely because the color of the mince and the onions is very important. At this time, what do? I add a little bit of those 2 beautiful Urfa chilies and the biber chilies or Aleppo chilies you call them into the mixture. Cook them really well. I also add a little bit of tomato puree, some parsley, salt, pepper, and just let it cook beautifully. I mean, the simplicity of this pasta is that the minimum amount of ingredients create such a big flavor. I hope you really like this recipe.
I'm sure I will.
So as the process goes, we are going to boil our pasta. I'm using rigatoni for this in boiling salted water. What you need to do is the recipe
you
which you
want
recommended.
my expertise help.
Always, I always want. So here we've got this yogurt. Now the recipe goes that they'll have this kind of a garlicky yogurt going on the top, and I made this chili oil here. So this chili oil is going to go on the top, but I'm not going to let it go at that. I've already planned something really cool and relatable to your genre of people and your kind of people. I've got a fantastic surprise twist to this viral pasta. How about that? Of course you want to see me doing my twist, right? You know why? Because I'm the chef.
Fine, I will allow you to have a
Oh, thank you so much. Wow. Okay, up now, Tanisha, by the way, is a really good pasta cooker as well. Okay. But the problem is I don't let her cook pasta.
I don't think you give me
because
enough
then she
credit.
eats too much pasta. Then, okay?
I don't think you give me enough credit about how I am the brains behind this operation.
Right, now add some salt to the water. Sorry, what were you saying? I didn't get that. You know, I like to be a little focused.
I am the brains behind this operation.
Which operation?
This.
Where? I don't see any operation
I need to get you a
happening.
mirror.
There's only cooking happening here, buddy. Okay, so how long do you cook pasta for? How long do you cook pasta for? That's the mic.
It depends on my mood.
Okay, so you like to cook it?
Al dente.
Al dente, exactly. How long could you tell
for each
our
pasta,
audience what is al dente? Can you tell them?
For each pasta, it's different. Al dente is when, what do you say? When there's a bite to your pasta.
Right. Al dente means to the teeth, which means you need a nice bite when you have the pasta. Yeah.
What did I do?
Now throw in the rigatoni. Lovely.
Is that like Turkish pasta? Like a form?
Well, you know, I'll tell you, I mean, I got a little more deeper into this recipe. Now, what actually happened? The whole story goes with this pasta is that when they saw this pasta, people found it so comforting and relatable because it's like a combo. You have the mantis, which are these steamed meat dumplings which come from the Middle East, and especially Turkey makes really good. Then the other one is the Turkish eggs, which have become very popular. So basically what has happened is that because of its similarity to a very comforting dish, people found this very exciting and it's all over the internet.
But isn't this like a bolognese?
Not really. I mean, if I have to talk to you, if I have to compare this to a bolognese, it's going to take another 30-40 minutes and I don't have that kind of time. I'm very busy, you know. It's almost like a very nice, comforting pasta dish.
So anybody could cook this?
Yeah, of course.
That's the motive.
Anybody can cook this. It is very comforting. It doesn't require too many ingredients. It can be made in company of a good companion, so you can cook together as well. Can you tell them something about pasta cooking and how you like and, you know?
I like my food extra spicy, and Dad hates my food extra spicy.
Well, I love a food, but you know what? What's the point of adding so many chilies to your food when you can't taste anything else?
No, but whenever I'm actually cooking in the kitchen, I can't have Dad around me. Like, I cannot cook.
Well, I am nice enough. I let her hang around with me. But asking me if she's going to be there all the time with me, I don't think so.
I can stay in the kitchen with Dad, but Dad can't stay in the kitchen when I am cooking.
Oh God.
Because then it's just like,
I can't sit
why is everything so disorganized? Why isn't this clean while you're cooking this?
Okay, listen.
This is.
Please don't listen to her. Guys, please don't listen to her. But believe me,
no, he's very
clean
supportive
as you go policy. We all love clean kitchens. I don't like messy kitchens. I like to have neatness and tidiness in the kitchen. Hygiene in the kitchen. Come on, I've given you this spiel all the time.
No, but he's very supportive about me cooking in the kitchen. He'll come and he'll be like, wow, this is great, wow, this is great. So it's nice.
So, talking about being nice and all that.
Is it done?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, when can I make my yogurt?
Oh yeah, I'm going to give you all your thingies to make your yogurt. So it's very simple. You know how to make that garlic yogurt? How do you make garlic yogurt?
Put the yogurt.
Okay, and then?
You have to put the garlic.
How much garlic and how much yogurt can you?
A lot of it, because I like it.
Well,
if you like a lot of yogurt and garlic, put it as much as you want.
Listen, let it not scream of garlic, I'm sorry. I love garlic, but you know what? I can't put so much garlic that nobody wants to stand next to me.
I want to put all of it.
No. How much is it?
That's very less.
No, it's not very less, trust me. Nahi, no more.
But it's raw.
Yeah, it is raw.
Aren't you supposed to cook it?
No, not at all.
He didn't let me make the. Do you see how much he trusts me?
Oh, sure, oh God. No, you still used to. Oh, it's not ready. Little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. You know, still not ready.
I put salt and pepper.
Okay, lovely. I hope you didn't put too much salt.
Even I hope I
know
did.
you're very generous, but we can't be generous in salt.
I get it from my dad.
Yeah. Rigatoni is almost cooked. A couple of more minutes and we're going to be tossing it inside our lovely mince.
But isn't this too less? I need more yogurt.
Nobody, I think this is pretty good because you're just going to drizzle it over. Okay. Plus you've got chili oil on the top. Plus you've got my special topping on the top. Relatable. Okay. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very simple. It's olive oil or butter.
I think it needs more salt.
Not at all. Too much salt is not good for you guys. Just the right amount of salt. Trust me. You're going to put feta cheese on the top as well. Oh, my special thing.
What would the vegetarian version of this would be?
A vegetarian version of this would be mushrooms. It would be vegetables. It could also be soya nuggets.
Mushrooms would be delicious.
Mushrooms and I think soya granules. Brilliant. Soya mince, soya granules. Even mock meat would be. But I would love mushrooms. Lots of mushrooms, lots of onions will go perfectly with this. Now what I love to do is whenever I'm cooking pasta, I like to incorporate some of the...
Let me say, the pasta water is, what is it? the magic ingredient. You cannot ever waste your pasta water. You need to, whenever you're cooking pasta, you have to use the water.
Wow, beautiful. Now look at that.
Al dente.
Al dente? Al dente.
I think my garlic sauce is the best thing
Oh, is it?
in this recipe.
You mean the garlic yogurt?
Yeah, the garlic. Actually steal the show.
Oh yeah. Is it going to be relatable?
Yeah.
Is it relatable?
Yeah.
Okay, now no talking now. This is a dangerous operation going on here. So we've got our rigatoni going in here. Beautiful. And then उसके बाद हमें इसे हल्का सा toss कर देते हैं. So slowly we mixing this. Wow, I mean I love the whole flavor of these Turkish chilies, Aleppo chilies, which can be bought online. Anybody needs a link, let me know. I'll hook you up. Now look at that gorgeous pasta.
Oh, that actually looks delicious.
So now Tanisha, let's do one thing. Let me plate this up. I'm going to put the pasta for you in a plate, and then we are going to be topping it up and making it the new viral Turkish meets Mumbai pasta. Look at that, how cool is that? We got this lovely Greek garlicky yogurt happening on the top. And then we also have Tanisha's favorite, what she puts on everything is this gorgeous chili oil. So we have this lovely chili oil going on the top. Beautiful. So now what we do is we add my touch to it. Okay, I'm going to be adding some cherry tomatoes to it. I'm going to be adding a few
Delicious.
cherry tomatoes to it to give that whole freshness to it. And also something which is very Turkish, and I think it'll go really well with this is some fresh pomegranates on the top. Wow,
Vicky's
amazing! And then we have some
Parsley.
chopped parsley on the top. And हमारी viral होने वाली Turkish pasta ready.
Good job.
Do like, do share, do subscribe, and excuse her if she said anything wrong.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Tanisha, for being here. Without you, this operation would not be successful. Thank you once again for fantastic, successful cooking operation.
This is a lot of work, you guys. I hope you appreciate it and enjoy this dish. You're welcome.